Take your motion graphics into another dimension with the new True 3D Design Workspace in After Effects. Now you can import 3D models directly into your After Effects project without the need for additional plugins or software. Models can be mixed with 2D and 3D objects to create gorgeous 3D motion graphics. In addition to standard lights, you can use images as light sources to give your compositions instant depth and dimension. Change the look of your scene completely just by swapping the HDR source image. Support for physically based materials ensures great-looking results with a real-world look and feel. Mix in any 2D layer to create eye-catching designs with your models to produce product ads, social media content, and more. Get creative and use 3D models to drive 2D effects, making your model really stand out. When you're finished, compositions can be rendered with the new high-performance GPU-accelerated engine. With true 3D motion graphics, you can create seamless VFX composites and eye-popping motion graphics. Check it out in the latest version of After Effects.